Jeff Forrester, P52-132, here we got both defendant, plaintiff.
That'll be you all on behalf of the plaintiff, Tower Construction. My P number is 43751. Plaintiff has made the decision to dismiss with prejudice.
What starts as a routine docket call quickly spirals into a whirlwind of legal curveballs. Sudden dismissals, missing parties, default judgments, and a jaw-dropping dispute over a car sale gone horribly wrong. In this courtroom, paperwork matters more than promises, and one handshake deal is about to collide with the harsh reality of contract law. Watch closely as the judge shifts from calm efficiency to sharp interrogation, exposing how small claims cases can unravel when evidence is thin and stories don't line up. By the end of this session, someone's credibility and possibly their wallet will be on the line.
This cause of action.
Okay, are you guys going to submit a stip in order to dismiss with prejudice? All right, good enough. Case settled, and your client agrees to that?
Yeah, I have authority to speak on his behalf.
And your client agrees to that?
She does reluctantly, Your Honor.
Well, wait a minute. Was there a counterclaim?
There was no counterclaim, but it was the case. The basis of the case was that he didn't get or he spent money on materials for the project, and there was never a receipt issued anywhere. Never any proof of that.
You guys want to go down the hall? Can you print out a stip in order to dismiss with prejudice? I can sign it right now, Jennifer, if there's a problem.
I can just print up a dismissal, yes.
Yeah, and you guys sign that.
Okay.
But your client is happy with this, right?
It's gone.
I mean, they were getting sued. You were representing both parties, right? Loretta and Pauline? Well, they were getting sued and they just won, right? I mean, if it's getting dismissed, or am I missing something?
No.
Have a good day, guys. Sorry to keep you so long. Thank you. Velocity versus Griffin. Do I have Velocity versus Griffin here? Is anybody here for Velocity versus Griffin?
Robert? I don't have any.
It's Flaggers, not Griffin.
What's that?
Is it Velocity MRS fund?
No, it's Velocity Investments LLC. Is Mr. Fikens out there? Mr. Stolman out there?
I don't have either party on that, Your Honor.
Well, did they?
I'll look into it.
Please do. All right. Who do I have left here? Is Deborah Treelor here? Is Brooks Landscaping and Daniel Brooks here? What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew what?
Right.
Is Mr. Mohammed Salman here?
He is, sure.
Come on up here. I'm going to take this one quick. It'll only take a second. I know you guys been patient. My apologies. I'll take you as quick as I can. Andrew Rahim versus Mohammed Salman, 2505286. Your name?
Andrew Rahim.
How you doing? I'm sorry to keep you all waiting here. Sometimes you don't know how long these are going to go. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury the testimony you give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got.
Yes.
Did you sell this defendant tools that he didn't pay you for?
Yes.
And was the invoice to him
Yes.
for that amount of $403,555?
Yes.
Why do you guys do that? I don't get it. Why don't you just make him pay you with 2/3 of it or a half of it anyway?
So it started a long time ago. So Snap-on's
What's that?
so how Snap-on works is during the Great Depression, they found out that they would sell more tools when they could front them to people to use them to make money on. And the business pretty much stayed that way until even currently.
You're kidding. Well, I'm going to go ahead and give you a default. I mean, maybe there's something I don't know about that industry, but I'll go ahead and you win. I'm sorry you have to go through this. I think it's horrible when people take products or services and then don't pay for them.
Yeah.
403,555. You have 70 plus 18. You have $88 in fees. Did you have to have him personally served? No, you did not, did you? So you got 403.5, 55 plus 88, which is 4/1/2355. You are all set. I've got your judgment prepared. For the record, this was scheduled for 10:30 and it is now 11:40. Have a great day. Go down the hall. They'll give you a copy of the judgment form for your records.
Okay.
All right. Treelor versus Brooks Landscaping. Deborah Treelor versus Brooks Landscaping and Daniel Brooks, 2503785. Your name, sir?
Daniel Brooks.
I hope you brought somebody with you, ma'am. You're limping there. You're free to have a seat right there. You want to have a seat?
No, fine.
Well, I mean, it looks like you're limping. I don't need you to stand up.
No.
Okay. I mean, you're more than welcome. If you change your mind, let me know. Tell me your name
Deborah Treelor.
and your name again.
Daniel Brooks.
I told you to bring the company who did the work, First Choice Home Improvement.
No,
What happened?
I apologize to Mr. Brooks a little earlier. He's having difficulty with health issues. He's been in the hospital with pneumonia. He's had surgery. And I was wondering if the court could possibly make another court date.
Gosh, why didn't you call him before so we didn't have to?
I didn't know about it until last night. I apologize.
No, don't apologize to me. I'm here anyway. I gave you a lot of time. I wish you would have called.
But he had his surgery and.
Okay, fair enough. I'll adjourn it for you. No, it's fine. How long till he'll be mobile?
He just got out of the hospital.
Well, do you have any idea? I don't know. I don't want to know. I don't need you advertised here what he's kind of surgery.
Call him in a couple weeks, see about getting his statement.
No, I want to make, he can appear by Zoom. You don't have a problem if he appears by Zoom, right?
Oh, yeah.
I can ask him.
Yeah, let him appear by Zoom. Adjourn for 1 month. Get me any documentation. Let's do this around March the 16th, or am I on report on this one too? I am, aren't I? It's all right. Give me a new date, Jennifer. Give me them after I get back.
In March, we can do the 24th.
Do I have something a little earlier? How about that 17th date or not?
Yeah, that's in the afternoon.
Let's do this at 1 p.m. on that date. Is that good?
That,
Or do I have some-
you've got some pre-trials. Hold on one moment, please. You've got some pre-trials, Judge. So could we do 1:45?
You know, that's St. Patrick's Day. So
I know.
we'll do 1:45. Okay. 1:45, March 17th. Witness can appear by Zoom. Now listen, do you have his phone number?
Yes, I do.
Do you have her phone number?
Yes.
Well, if something comes up, you call us. I don't want people having to sit around here. I feel horrible that you guys will wait. If I'd have known this, I would have called you an hour ago. You've been sitting in here for an hour. So if something happens and he can't make it, let us know. Call him. You guys can agree and we'll figure out a way to make it clear so we can adjourn the thing. Okay, I don't want to have to adjourn it again. I'm only so
Sorry.
you're fine. It's okay. Things happen in life.
I'm-
Good luck. Thank you. You guys can't try to work this out though, huh?
Thank goodness the roads were understanding.
Jeez, I'm sorry. I'd have known we'd have let you appear by Zoom. Your name?
Christine Walsh.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm and the penalties of perjury that the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole truth so help you God.
Yes.
All right, so what happened? Did you do some advertising for this fence company and then they didn't pay your invoice?
Exactly.
And was the total amount of the invoice 1905?
The total amount was 2205. He paid 300 of that, so the outstanding balance is the 1905.
And you still had a filing fee in this case of $70. You paid another certified fee of 18 for a total of 88. And they signed the certified mail receipt, correct?
Correct.
So that's the only out of pocket that you have?
Yes.
So the total judgment I'm getting is 1993, correct?
Correct.
I gave him 15 minutes. It's now 9:15. Defendant didn't show. I'm gonna go ahead and grant default judgment in your favor. I would send them the judgment and wait 21 days, and then you can figure out whether they're gonna pay it, or else you can go about collection proceedings. Okay, ma'am? You ever been through this
I
process?
just not.
It's not fun, but hopefully they'll pay it. If they don't pay it, then you can subpoena them for a creditor's exam. If you know where they bank, you can garnish wages, bank accounts of the defendant company. It's Maverick Fence, so you got to be careful. You can subpoena the principal of Maverick Fence, like the president.
Yep.
Okay, for a creditor's exam here at the court if they don't pay it. All right?
Okay. So after 21 days, if there is no response, what is my next step? To call back here.
Well, you're gonna have to kind of figure this out on your own. We can't really give legal advice, but you can subpoena the president for a creditor's exam
Okay.
here at the courthouse. And I'll let her appear by Zoom, Jennifer. I'll let them appear by Zoom.
Okay, no problem.
And if we get anybody, I know on small claims generally that I don't allow them to appear by Zoom because they always have documents, it seems, but if somebody's this far away and you want to give me a heads up, I'll look at the file and tell you.
Okay.
So yeah, you can subpoena him, you can ask him to bring, you can go online and see a lot of this, tax returns, where they bank,
Okay.
etc.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Judge, if
the-
they use michiganlegalhelp.org, it does a lot of the question and answers on this stuff.
Okay, MichiganLegalHelp.org. And you can go down the hall, we're gonna give you a copy of the judgment, all right?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day. Have a safe trip. All right. Is anybody ready on Capital One versus Miller?
She's on the phone still. They're getting someone on ASAP. Miss Miller is here. I do have both parties on. You have the parties in the courtroom. Miss Hernandez on that case is in Zoom.
Well, yeah, we got the plaintiff in the.
Well, this is Capital One versus Miller.
No. The parties that are in the
9:30.
courtroom at 9:30.
Okay.
I have the defendant on Zoom.
Leslie Bolzajor versus Cynthia Hernandez, 2504922.
Right here, man. Yeah, the phone.
Boy, you didn't do a very good job on this, ma'am. You can't be doing this. Your name?
Leslie Bolsejor.
Your name.
Cynthia Hernandez.
Why don't you come up here? I want you guys to resolve this. Did you buy a car from her?
Yes.
Did you
It's
stop
paid
making?
for. I
Hang
have the
on,
title.
hang on. Did you stop making the payments?
No, the car is paid for in full.
Is that true? Did she pay for it in full?
No, Your Honor. In the contract, it states,
Do you have a security agreement? I didn't sign did I sign I was concerned about this. You didn't have a security agreement, did you?
no, my name was supposed to be on the title.
You guys, you try to be your own lawyers. It'd be like me. I don't care if she was your friend, not your friend. You guys can't do things like this. This was a recipe for a disaster. Your name's supposed to be on the title of somebody else. When they're driving, you don't know if it's insured. They get in an accident, you get sued. You probably aren't going to have insurance on it. They're going to be coming after you. Ms. Hernandez,
Yes.
did she pay the payments?
No,
Good. Then
this is the last payment to be made on March 1st.
well, what if she paid in advance? Did she pay in advance?
Two $500 payments.
Did you pay more than two $500 payments, Mr. Hernandez? Don't lie to me because I'm going to get to the bottom of this. Listen to
Yes,
me very
I
quickly.
paid two on the day at the Secretary of
I
State.
didn't ask you that. Hang on a second. I want to be clear.
Okay.
I don't want anybody lying to me. And I'm gonna find out who's lying. If she's saying it's not paid and you're saying it is paid, one of you are lying to me. So if you want to come up here with all your documentation and I'll try to resolve this for you guys right now, that would be fantastic.
On September 12th.
Hang on. I didn't say that. I didn't say anything here. Why don't you get dressed and come on up here? You live on Riverside, right?
Yes.
It's only a 6-8 minute drive at best. Bring all your documentation that tells me that you've paid for the car. How much do you think is owed?
2,000
How did she pay on the first two payments?
cash.
Nice.
Right.
Really good.
We were
Really,
together. She was living in my house.
really, really, really good.
Yeah.
Did you give her a receipt?
Well, I wrote
Did you give her a receipt?
I wrote it in this book.
Did you give her a receipt?
No, you're
You
right.
guys, you know what? I mean, bring all your documentation up here right now, Ms. Hernandez. So you guys, she was supposed to put your name, keep your name on the title, huh? Did you sign did you sign the title over?
I didn't.
Why did you sign the title over before it'd be like you tell me you're gonna buy my house and I sign, hang on, bye. Well, then you should have talked to a lawyer. That's what they do.
Right.
That's what they do. I never sold it before. Come on up here, Ms. Hernandez. We're resolving this morning. Get yourself dressed. She's going to wait, and you come on up here. How long will it take you?
Say, I don't know, 40 minutes.
I'll see you about 10 o'clock. Don't hurry. Don't rush. I don't want you getting in an accident.
Right,
Take
right.
your time.
Okay.
I hope you're never going to do something like this again.
Absolutely not.
Oh,
It's unfortunate.
this pains me to see this. It really does. I know it's only $2,000, but $2,000 is a lot of money. Bring all your documentation that shows me she paid you. You paid her. If you took cash out, you can go to the bank.
I had
Wait.
cash. I don't.
Wait, ma'am, Ms. Hernandez, I'm going to find out who's lying to me. It doesn't matter to me who's lying. I'm going to, ma'am.
With that too.
Ma'am, I'm going to find out who's lying. You guys just make this hard when you do this, like with a handshake.
My mistake.
You didn't make a mistake. You don't have to apologize to me. You might be out when it's your burden of proof here. But I can tell somebody's lying, and I'm going to tell you who it is when we get here. Bring all your documentation, Ms. Hernandez, okay? That tells me that you paid this. Guys, I mean, you say you have a security, you filed a pleading saying you have a security agreement. Do you know what a security agreement is?
I was going by what
The
the
bank,
lawyer told me to write down.
don't tell me what the lawyer told you. That's between you two. If I went to a bank or I went to a dealership and bought a car, that's when I will execute a security agreement. I doubt that you had her execute a security agreement.
No.
Why'd you allege it in the complaint? Shh. Give me all your documentation. Did you ever sign a note at least?
We had this agreement that I gave you a copy. You should have a copy of our contract.
Okay.
And she signed for the 2 payments that she did give me.
She signed?
She signed, yeah. The 2 payments, one on,
Oh, man, that's kind of telling, Ms. Hernandez.
and it says in the
You
contract.
guys come up here. Come on, get dressed. Come on up here. But I'm telling you, I'm going to have you guys under oath and I'm going to resolve this today. And you guys are going to, you're going to be honest with me because I'm going to find out who's lying to me. Okay? I'll see you whenever you get here, Ms. Hernandez. Unless you guys want me to adjourn this for a week or so, I'll be happy to do that.
Well, I'm volunteering today where I live.
Where do you live on Riverside? What do you mean you're
Yep.
volunteering?
At the towers where I live.
Ms. Hernandez,
Yes.
why don't I do this? What do I have tomorrow, Jennifer?
Tomorrow is the 11th. You have Brownstown and Groseal reps. So let me see.
It's easy. All right, 8:30 in the morning. Can you be here tomorrow, Ms. Hernandez?
Yes.
Can you be here tomorrow at 8:30?
Yes.
We're starting at 8:30. Do I have sentencings on that docket tomorrow?
No, I don't see any sentencings at
Good.
8:30.
Perfect. 8:30. You guys be here. Don't make me wait. All right? I'm gonna
Okay.
adjourn. We'll set for February 11th at 8:30. Everybody's to bring any and all documentation. I'm gonna figure this out tomorrow. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you. Thank you.
This final exchange captures the heart of today's courtroom drama. A private car sale built on trust instead of documentation, now collapsing under legal scrutiny. The judge zeroes in on missing receipts, lack of a security agreement, and the dangers of informal deals involving major assets. When both sides claim opposite truths, evidence becomes everything, not memories, not intentions, not verbal promises. By ordering both parties back with full documentation, the court is signaling that credibility will be tested under oath next time. Cases like this show how quickly everyday transactions can escalate into legal battles when safeguards are ignored. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments about who you think is telling the truth, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.